Hey traders, hope you're doing well. I'm just getting ready for the market open here in just a few seconds. And let's see, let's look at the daily, the 5 minute, and the 1 minute. We all look like we're on a downtrend. A little bit of a spike up in the morning, but as you can see from all those time frames, we're on this downtrend, and I think we're close enough to pre-market lows that we can expect to break down a pretty clean breakdown, considering we downtrended all pre-market and are very close to lows. It's kind of my thesis right here. I've had a pretty red day earlier in the week, and this is Friday. I kind of have to leave in a little bit, a little early for a dentist appointment. So I just want to take one quick trade here and be done for the day. So if it doesn't come to fruition, I'm just gonna not trade and leave. But had a little bit of spike up, and I believe this could move down further, so I'm gonna put a little more risk on with 2 micros. And again, I have a free course that I'll give you more details about at the end of this video. It's called Get Paid to Trade, and I don't know what's going on. I was filled with 2, but it's not showing up in my charts. So what's going on here? Let me check this. Everything looks like I signed in right. Maybe it's time to restart my computer. Okay, there we go. Well, we're filled with 2 at or a placement order, so not too sure what's going on there. Yeah, and so we're looking, I'm gonna be hesitant on this one, and again, I just want to get out quick. So I'm looking for about $100 profit. I'll be happy for the day. And that's times 10 accounts. So I'm looking for about $1,000 total. So I'm trading with multiple accounts through Apex Trader Funding. I'm going through their evaluation period with 10 accounts. I copped 10 of them on their holiday sale at a 80% off sale. But they have a 50% off sale right now. If you join the course, I show you how to get that. And I'll give you more details on the course at the end of this video. But yeah, so we're breaking down, we're showing some resistance. There's a lot of resistance on the daily here at this level. It was a nice clean breakdown. I think what I might do is add, if it spikes up, probably be a lot of profit taking here early in the morning and things being choppy. So if it does spike up and not hit my profit target, I believe I'll add. And I don't have an ATM strategy currently. Looks like I didn't have one selected, but I think my stop is going to be probably above 860. So let me add one here. Let's see, I think I'm going to fast forward here so I don't have to sit through this. This could take a while, or I could get stopped out. So let's see what happens. Okay, I think I'm going to add one more here for a total of 4 micros, or basically $8 a point. About pretty close, up 650 bucks, up 700 bucks. So I'm risking probably 150 to make 100 right here. Maybe even 200 to make 100. I think I'm going to cover some here. It looks like there's a little hesitancy. I'm going to place a limit order. Part of it too is I just need to get out of here. Let's go to the dentist soon. So hopefully this thing continues. It's on a little mini downtrend here, just kind of oscillating back and forth, but it's still in a downtrend. Everything's looking good in the daily, the 5 minute, the 1 minute, and that main chart there is a 15 second. So here we go. There's a nice breakdown. Might cover 2 more points early. I just don't want this thing to shoot back up again. So let's get out of these 2. Try and be a little bit patient, but that's fine. Adjust my stop to 2. Probably tighten it up a little bit. Now we gotta give it some wiggle room. It's just a Friday, right? It's I don't know how many people are holding in this down market on a Friday. We're really close to our profit target here. I'm up. Currently, closed profit and loss is 898. Another spike up, which is just people shorts covering and maybe some bottom hunters, but I'll just leave my stop where it's at. I guess I'd probably be break even here if I left my stop right there, which is fine. Break even is always better than red, for sure. All right, that looks good. That was a really weak pop up. We're already retraced 50%, even more than that. So just losing my patience with this. I'm up. I'm at my profit target here, so over 1,200 bucks. But I really think this thing could go further. You know what? I think I'm out one there, and I'll just stop out probably over this pivot high. I think I'd still be a little under $1,000 for the day. Just see how this thing behaves. Well, at least it's a short day, whether, give up a little bit here or not. Which is what I was aiming for. Short day, slightly in profit. It was perfect. Okay. Do I need to fast forward here? No, I think I'm getting close to getting out of here. Yeah, I lost, I don't know, $8 in that one or something like that. No big deal. I'm up over $1,000 for the day, 1,041.70 after commissions. Okay, great. And then, yeah, so I'm done for the day. Thank you very much for watching, and stick around to the end. I have some more details on the course. So thank you, and trade well. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Here is a screen grab of $250,000 of funded accounts I qualified for using my trading system. You can get instant access to my free course so you can learn how to get funded fast and start to trade with other people's money. It's really easy to get started. There should be a link somewhere in the description or the comments of this video. Go ahead and click on that, and on the next page, you'll get instant access to my course for free. Also, if this video helped you in any way, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps me know that you find this channel helpful and encourages me to make more free stuff for you guys. Thanks, and trade well.